Hello, today I would like to unbox the new DJI MATRICE 30T together with you. So let's get started. First, we need to open the box here. Mine came with such a box, and then you have the drone itself, the remote controller, and the batteries. So let's start with the remote controller. So first, you see here, you need to turn it on with one short and one long push on the button. Now it says this noise here. Then you open the antennas here, and let's leave the remote controller and unfold the drone. Okay, so in this case, I've got 6 batteries actually. Every battery has a number, so the DJI MATRICE 30T uses 2 batteries at a time. So in this case, 1 and 1 goes together, 2 and 2 go together, and you can maybe guess that the batteries that are already in the MATRICE 30T are named 3 and 3. So let's open this beast here. Yeah, okay, so you can see these buttons here. In order to open the propellers, the wings here, you need to push the buttons and make sure that when the propeller is fully open, the button shuts back up. That's really important, because if it's not, then during the flight maybe that means that the wing is not properly mounted. So make sure that this is up and it's safe. So let's do it with the other ones. And yeah, okay, so it all buttons are clicked. So now we have to remove this piece of foam here from the gimbal, throw it down in the box, and you can see the camera is tilted 90 degrees up. You always have to leave it in that position when you are done flying. So now we will just go ahead and stabilize it. So after that, the same concept as pretty much every DJI drone. You push one button short and then long. Okay, so now it starts warming up, and then my suggestion is to close the box and situate it here, because the box is actually big enough to serve as a landing and takeoff pad from the drone. So that's pretty much it. Then you start flying.